This tutorial is over how I do my dab shaker pens. This is everything that I'll be using. I'll be using the mini head, which is one of the molds out of my shop. Right now I'm taking my hand drill and just drilling a hole. This hole will serve two purposes. If I want to fill it with liquid later, this is the hole that I will use after I've gone and put everything inside and put on my top. Also, that is the hole that I will fill with my dab pen. I'm now going to cut my shaker film. I'm going to go around my shaker with my Sharpie and my transparency. I make it just enough to where I know that I will cover right around the edges of my shaker. Now that I've cut my shaker film, I'm going to take my alcohol, a paper towel, and with the alcohol rub off the Sharpie markings while also cleaning my transparency. Now that I've filled in all my little bits, I've gone ahead, checked my sizing one more time, and I'm going to go around my shaker with a little bit of UV resin. And I'm going to take my little spatula tool, spread it out nice and even. And with my tweezers, I'm going to place my shaker film back on and just slightly tap it down to where it sets. Now I take my UV light just to make it harden just a little bit, and I like to use the big baby. I've placed it under the UV lamp for 90 seconds. Now it's out and the transfer is nice and sealed because of the UV. I'm going to go ahead and take my dab pen extension, place a little bit of UV resin down on it, and place it into the hole, because this is going to be a dry shaker, not a wet shaker. setting it. So sort of like a glue with the UV resin. This is going to make it to where our dab extension will not come out of our shaker. If there was liquid inside the shaker, the liquid would not come out the shaker. This UV resin has sealed it closed. Done. Only thing left to do is dome her. Because this is a dry shaker, I don't have to put any liquid in her. All I have to do is dome her and she is done. If you like this video and want to see more, please subscribe and like, and thanks for watching.